Hey everyone, it's Adina with David's Cookies, and I'm in my kitchen today, and we've been like baking away. Every day, something new. My dog is drinking her water. She's in the background. And that would be Cookie, by the way, and that's her real name. Yeah, that's how we roll here. So lots of cookies, as you can imagine, and so easy, so I'm so into this. But this morning I baked a banana bread with chocolate chips. That is absolutely amazing with my daughter Brooke. She helped me with that, who's actually behind the camera, so shout out to my daughter behind you. But we made a cake yesterday because it was Cookie's 10-year birthday. So, Cook, come on, a little action for the camera. Work with me. She's not working with me. So anyway, so lots of cookies, lots of cake, lots of baking, and then lots of exercise because you got to do this and then maybe a little of that. So I'm totally into making these today because the banana bread is like for myself, my daughter, my husband is even into it, but my son is all about the chocolate chunk cookies. And actually, I'm not going to say we're not all about it. We all are. But this is really his treat. So he just went out to play some lacrosse with his father. So I'm going to bake some cookies. And when they get back after lunch, they'll have some cookies. Just preheated the oven here. Simple, easy. Once that's preheated, it's like 12, 15 minutes. So we'll be eating those by the time they get back. But one thing that I wanted to say, aside from all the baking and all that comfy type of stuff that's going on, something that I just happen to love, fresh flowers. So if you can get your hands on fresh flowers, even if they come from your yard, I'm such a fan. I just think that when you see this every day, you're bound to have a smile on your face. A nice candle too, which we definitely did get at QVC, so kudos to QVC for my candle. But little things that just make you happy every day. I think that's what it's all about. All right, it's time. Bringing it back. Take a look. Thanks for joining me. See you soon.